GPT has a simple framework. Give it a task, have it break down that task into smaller tasks, and then complete all of them until the main task is complete. But what happens if we zoom out and realize that these steps can be part of a larger system that can run forever? And how long would it take until something like this exists in the world? Well, let's take a look at some recent history. For 15 plus years, we relied on search. We all used Google. And then at the end of last year, we got ChatGPT, and we moved from search to answers. Then 4.5 months later, we got goals with AutoGPT. So 15 years of search, 4 months of answers, and now we have goals. And the next, in my opinion, is systems. I'm calling this Perpetual GPT. Think about it. When you use AutoGPT, which is goal-based, to create a website based on data from many other websites, it's likely going to have to prompt itself 100 or so times, and this costs a lot of money or tokens for using the API. But the next iteration of this is simple. They already have access to credit card information or even crypto accounts to make payments online. Perpetual GPT would just need to prompt AutoGPT based on a larger goal, like maximizing profits. If AutoGPT returns with more money than it started with, Perpetual GPT would be a fully profitable, continuous AI agent. So here's an example that I think everyone would understand. You're the first person who creates a continuous system that can basically take Twitter data and news data that's filtered to be the hottest news in AI. It then searches the internet based on those keywords, and it returns 3 articles, 2 videos, and relevant images from both the articles and the videos. And remember, the video will have text because there's a transcript with all videos on YouTube. It takes all of that text and uses a very engaging ChatGPT prompt to convert it into a video script that is gripping and maximized for YouTube. It will then feed that script through 11 labs, and it will send that audio to a video editing tool, and it will add all those pictures and images that are contextually important for that part of the video, and then upload it to a YouTube channel, TikTok account, upload to an Instagram page, Facebook, LinkedIn, all of it, and cut all of the important parts into shorts, reels, and whatever the hell they're calling it on the other platforms. Then it takes the most important quotes from each of those videos and converts them into Canva infographics. And since this system could do this in minutes, it will have all of the breaking news before any human will. It will be able to auto-generate thumbnails on the spot with those images. As long as the ad revenue exceeds the cost to run, Perpetual GPT could, in theory, run it forever. But if you built this perfect system, you wouldn't just do it on one account, would you? You would do the same exact thing on many different accounts in many different niches. And you could even allow your system to access a percentage of revenue generated from your YouTube channel rather than a fixed amount, so that as your channel automatically grows and your ad revenue grows, the amount of research or context that the agent does on the video increases. So not only is it continuous, but it's improving as you make more money. Okay, bro, where did you get this crazy idea? I know many people working on this right now, tirelessly. This is not a theory. This is a glimpse into the future of the internet. And the real point I'm trying to make is that I don't believe it will ever be easy to make money with a tool like AutoGPT. By the time it is easy, the smartest people in the world will be running millions of these simultaneously. Many companies will have these systems running all at once with increasingly more autonomy. This will create a competition between these AI systems, and they will likely use strategies that humans, us dull humans, don't even understand, in which the result will be who the f*** knows. Episode 2 of Understanding AI.